Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this special stuff here. Capsuine, headband, women's, men's, and so on. Headbands. It's a 3-piece pack for the summertime, for the wintertime, for every time. It's lightweight and elastic anti-sweatband for yoga, for workout, for running and fitness. It's on the market in black, gray, or black, dark gray and blue, or black and dark gray. Bunches of possibilities, as you can hear. This hairband is made of lightweight, breathable polyester-elastane blend fabric that feels soft on our skin. The highly elastic material ensures perfect fit, adapts to the different head sizes, and it is suitable for both women and men. It adapts comfortably to the shape of the head without exerting pressure. The special material of this sweatband quickly guides sweat away from the skin and distributes it over the surface so that it will evaporate quickly. So our head stays dry and comfortable. Even doing strenuous exercises and sweat does not drip into her eyes. This sports headband has been manufactured in an ultralight design, and it's not only value low weight, but also a thin material and breathability, even in the summer months. If it is effectively prevents a stuffy feeling around our head. In combination with its exceptionally moisture-wicking properties, it keeps the scalp dry and comfortable at all times. Whether we're running, workout, yoga, have a game, play tennis or basketball, or you go cycling, this headband is the ideal companion for summer activities. It can also be worn comfortably under a helmet. For everyday activities such as shopping or office work, it provides a stylish accent while preventing the hair from covering the face. And the headbands are available in a range of modern colors with multiple shades that fit any outfit. The 3 pieces set ensures that I will always have the fresh headband at the hand. That's perfect for storing in our sports bag or changing after a workout. The combination and the functionality comes with a stylish look at once. This all brings us this nice headband. Thanks to its excellent elasticity and ergonomic design, the headband stays securely in place, even during sprints, jumps, and sharp curves, without slipping. We can fully concentrate on our activities without having to constantly readjust the headbands. Excellent moisture regulation thanks to innovative technology that can fully make a good thing for us. We sweat, or the sweat is quickly absorbed and the headband dries quickly. So our head stays always dry and comfortable doing the exercise and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.